Hello traders, this video is recorded by Georges Beaulieu, the founder of StochasticMoney.com, DayProTrader.com, and 24ElliotWave.com. The title of this video is How to Day Trade Like a Pro, Part 1. In this video, I'm going to show traders, alright, slowly, okay, I will show you, alright, show traders how to day trade like a pro. But I will demonstrate to traders a trading strategy here that they can test, very important. So you must always test your trading system, your trading method, your trading strategy, alright, before you will implement it with a real money. So you may open a demo account, okay, if you trade the forex with FSCM, all right, or you can open a demo account with your broker and you will test the strategy in real time. Mainly if you are day trading during the first 2 hours when a market is open. New York is open, London is open, Tokyo is open, Hong Kong is open. You want to test, okay, this strategy, all right? Test it first. So you want to day trade like a pro. You want to test your strategy first. This is very important. So do not watch this video and quickly go and place a trade without understanding the method, without mastering the strategy, all right? So that's the deal, all right? Let's get started. The strategy that we're going to use here is a trend line, very simple and very powerful, all right? So to draw a trend line, we need the 2 points to draw the trend line. So every day, as a day trader, you can use this strategy and let me know how you find it, all right? So this point here and this one here allow me to draw the red trend line here. Now, one thing you need to pay attention to is to pay attention to the slope of the trend line. Is it positive slope? Is the trend line rising? Is it declining? All right. So in this case, this red trend line is rising. All right. So 1, 2. All right. We have 2 points and we draw our trend line. We are waiting for the price to retest the bullish trend line. Here it is. This is the third time. As I say to trader, the third time is mine because my name is Trio. All right, okay. So as the price is retesting a bullish trend line, all right. So you see here for the third time, we are watching this point because I'm on a daily chart. So I'm on a daily chart. It's retesting it here. So watch it here. So on these days, you can see before that the red one, so you see pull back with the red candle before we see this tall green one plus the gap up. So as the price came near the trend line, closed, okay, on this daily chart, it closed near the trend line. Here you see again, it touched it here and closed bearishly, pull back and touch it like this. The following day, all right, we go to a lower time frame. You can decide which time frame you want to enter, either 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes, all right? You want to zoom into it, so you will switch now to a lower time frame, and you will use your trading system, either TSCW24 or your own trading system, or you may use, your trading indicator, either MACD or whatever. But as the price closed near the bullish trend line, all right, when the market opens, now sometimes trader will find it very difficult to enter the trade. This is where the problem is. So to avoid, as I speak to traders, there are 3 things that the price is doing all the time. The price either in a rising channel, or a declining channel, or horizontal channel. So you go to, for instance, you go to your 15-minute charts, or you want to break it down more, maybe you go to 30-minute chart and then you switch to a 1-minute chart, all right, it's up to you. As you want to zoom into it or you are about to enter the trade, you can be patient. If you are not sure all right, or you are afraid that you will lose, you can just wait. So because it's a bullish trend line, we want to be bullish, all right? It closed here the day before. Now the market is open. We wait the first 30 minutes. Just don't place any trade. Just wait first 30 minutes, all right? The professional do not jump into the market as soon as New York is open, as soon as London is open, or as soon as Hong Kong is open. They wait 30 minutes. So the market will open, go to your Android phone, your smartphone, try to play some games, all right, for 30 minutes, all right, just to see the portfolio adjustment, okay, the orders being filled and all the blah, 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 profit taking, and then you are watching the market itself, which is the S&P 500. So if the S&P 500 is bullish, all right, we're talking about a trading triangle, we will implement our bullish, okay, if it's bullish, we will implement our bullish watch list. But if the S&P 500 is bearish, we will implement our bearish watch list. Always, you must have two watch lists. Do not come into the market and say that today I want to buy. So because you see a bullish setup, you want to buy, all right? But do not buy if the market is bearish. You will forget about your setup, completely forget it. Why? Because if the market is bearish and you have done your homework and you are bullish, and you start to be bullish when the market is bearish, it's like you are fighting the market. One of the reasons why a lot of traders, day traders, are losing is because we are fighting the market. The market is going down, we want to buy, all right? So we are fighting the market. The market is paying higher lows, higher high, and we are selling, and we lose. Or the market, all right, is going down, and we are busy buying, all right? So we don't want to fight the market. So you can see that each time, these are professional trading here, you see? So with these 2 points here, which they have their red trend line. Look, we are looking at this stock, General Electric Corporation, Epic GE, Gulf Eco, on the daily chart. We are looking for a setup on the daily chart. Now, the trading drill, the day trading drill is about the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point, incorporating our strategy with the trading triangle, all right, without fighting the market. All right, you see? So now, are you with me? You see, look at this. Each time the price touch the red line, look what's happening. Each time it went up. Yeah, look. Each time it went up. Now, if I draw another line, look carefully. Is it not easy to do this? You can do this, yes? All right? Or if you want to teach your child how to day trade, you can explain this. So look at another line, okay? So this is the origin of the red line. So I'm drawing another line. Look carefully. Now this time, I'm joining this point and this one. I want to show you here. You need to pay attention carefully. Stay focused. All right? Stay focused. Don't blink at all. All right? Okay. Now this is to laugh. So this point and the blue one. Let me remove the blue one. You see this candle here? Let's zoom into it. Okay, I want you to see all the, you join this point and this one here. That's why I'm putting my blue line, okay? Are you with me? So now watch the blue trail line. It's also a rising channel. So look, here it is with the green spots and the green spots and the blue spots, we have our rising, okay, blue trail line, all right, on a daily chart. We are looking for a setup. Now, look at this one, all right? Here it is. The price did not come down to the first trend line, which is the red one. Now the price acknowledged the second trend line. Look, it touches here. Though the red one was here, the price, these are computers trading this, because the computers, the software recognition, the chart pattern recognition software can recognize the trend line. It touches here, same strategy, and it went up again. Here it is. If I move this one, you can see Oops. If I move this spotlight, you can see again the price. Touch it again here. All right, you see now? So if you are TSCW24 trader, at this point in time, you will go to the first best time frame looking for opportunity to buy. Yes or no? You will do that. And each time, you will be recorded. You will be rewarded. You see here, first time, boom, it went up. All right? See? And second time, it went up. So as the price, you see, retested here and it went up. Now, the next thing you need to pay attention to is what? The resistance level. So, though you want to buy, you don't want to buy anyhow. You want to buy when the price pull back. But now, because it retested here, we are not looking for a pullback here because it's already pulled back on a daily chart. We go to either 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whichever time frame is suitable for you, 3 minutes, and you are looking for a rising channel and probably pulling back within the channel or the edge of the rising channel, and then you take it from there on your entry time frame. It makes sense? Now, promise me that you understand this, that you're not going to go around looking for the stochastic, looking for the RSI to give you the signal. You will use this strategy with the technical indicators. All right? So if you trade the oversold RSI or oversold CCI or the oversold stochastic, you will use it together with this strategy. So at this point, if the CCI is oversold or the RSI is oversold or the stochastic is oversold, great, because it's in harmony with the price itself, the number one indicator, because we are trading the price. We are not trading the stochastic. All right? So it doesn't mean that the price will definitely go up if you retest this level. But as you retest it here, you see here, we will now, okay, be very, very alerted. So we go now to our signal time frame, waiting for signal. Rubbing our hands, all right, waiting as the market opens the next day, because the candle is closed now on the daily chart the day before. Now we are waiting the next day, all right. First 30 minutes, we are very patient like professional traders. And we receive a signal, we'll take it. All right? So this video is about how to day trade like a pro, part 1. Now, I will record another second part where we will continue this discussion and what the professional are looking for. Now, I say to traders that it's a day trading mistake to make a day trading decision. For instance, on the first best time frame alone. So you buy the TSCW24, you go to the first best time frame, start sticking to the signal, everything on the first. That's completely wrong. We are looking for a setup first, all right, from a higher time frame like this, and then we switch to the first best time frame. All right? All right? Because I want you to understand this. That's why I'm speaking like this. So if you are a very experienced day trader, don't think that, George, come on. I'm doing like this for some traders that need more patience, all right? So you see how the price acknowledge the blue line also, okay? I want to draw your attention again because you want to day trade like the pro. The pro have their setup. So they come in, they say, oh, this is my setup today. Suppose you are a professional day trader, you come to the office with your colleague, you say, look, this is the setup we want to trade today, all right? And if this happens, we're going to buy, all right? But now, if as the market opens, the professional watching this, they have a lot of bullish setup, and they look that the market is bearish, they say, no, put it aside. They'll bring out now their bearish setup because the market is bearish. They're looking for financial instruments that are also bearish. They don't want to fight the market. They don't want to fight the market. Now, if you're a new trader, because I remember when I was a new trader, I'm very, believe me, I'm very, very courageous trader, all right? Okay? I don't wait for the candle to close. That was a big mistake, all right? You are fighting the market, you are courageous, you are full of energy, or maybe you have a lot of money, so you just throw money at it and say, okay, let's put £100 on this, maybe it work. That's like gambling. You are gambling, okay? And we see all the time, sometimes today we lose a big sum of money. You don't want to do that, all right? You don't want to do that. There's no point to do that, okay? So you see here very patiently, professional were waiting, you see the red line, you touch it here, it went up. So as it start going up, we are watching the resistance level. we're at a resistance level. So here you see it went above this resistance level. What he did, he pulled back again. So these days, this is now if price goes above a resistance level and retest it and find a support, that resistance level is converted into what? Into a support level. We will not buy at a resistance level until that resistance level is converted into a support level. All right. So here we see it went horizontal, couldn't go below it. Yes, we receive a buy signal again using a multiple time frame trading method, which means this is the setup on a daily chart. We are not entering a trend on a daily chart. No. All right. Okay. We'll go to the signal time frame and zoom into it. Sometimes you may try to enter the trade, for instance, on a 5-minute chart or a 3-minute chart, and you will find it very difficult to enter the trade. Sometimes traders say to me, George, the price is going too fast. No. I don't want to be on a 10-minute chart. I don't want to be on a 5-minute chart. I don't want to be on a 3-minute chart. It's going too fast. I want to go on the 1-minute chart. All right. You can zoom into it. If it's difficult on your entry time frame, zoom into it and enter it carefully. But always, you have a setup, you have a signal before you are zooming into it on a lower time frame, looking for the low risk entry point, because what? You are a day trader. You don't want to risk 100 pips for a day trading, all right? Okay, so you want to the best trade or the most gorgeous trade are the one that you take a very tiny risk and it work out beautifully, all right? And you feel like a god, isn't it? All right, you feel like God, okay? Okay, you feel like all right, you are the king of the market that day, which is nice, isn't it? It's a nice feeling, all right? So here again, he retests it again. Professional were waiting here. These are what I like to call, okay, the meeting points or the hangout point, if you like to call it that way. We are waiting area, like a train coming into a station. You don't enter the train, all right, in the middle of the track. Now, are you with me? All right. So you want to take a high-speed train. You don't go into the middle of the train, middle of the track, and then try to join the train at a high speed. So if it's going high speed, all right, wait for it to stop at the station. Am I making sense? All right. All right. Patience. All right. Patience. Professional always patient, because they know that they can lose. Even you are experienced trader, you can lose. So you don't want to lose. You want to gain consistently. In fact, if you are a professional trader, which means you are trading for a firm or you are trading for a hedge fund, your performance is poor, well, your job is in line, all right? You don't want your performance to be low, short of below the average. So they may have like an average for the group. And if you are always below the average of the group of traders, they will say you are not performing, you need to catch up. So you want to make sure, that's why professionals are very patient, because it's better not to enter the trade at all, not to lose the money for your firm, not to lose your own money, than to enter and lose. So how many times are you losing? Are you losing rapidly? Are you losing many times? Are you losing too big? Do you have money management in place? So that's why, now in this video, okay, the key point is that wait for it to come to the station. Wait for the price to retest the trend line. Right? Here it is. And then use your multiple time frame trading method or use your value trading system. Test it here. The drill, the setup. This is the setup. Okay, the signal and the entry point. Pure. And as the price going up, now I can talk about more, but because it's part one, I will hold some more information. We will discuss them more in the second part of this video. You see, third time here, you retest it again. Yes? They don't just buy. It's not because you're retesting the bullish trend line that it will definitely go up. No. We wait for a signal. If it's going up, you will see on your low, on your entry time frame, or at least on your signal time frame, price start displaying higher lows and higher high. The price will be on a 50-minute chart or which a 10-minute chart, displaying higher lows, higher high as it goes from here to here. Another thing I need to mention to trader, the price is always going from A to B. And the professional, they know that. As the price start going up, they say, where is the B? B for Bravo. Where is the target level? Where is the next level? Where are the resistance level? Where are the support level? Where are the trend line? The channels, all right? Here again, you see, keep drawing lines. You see, I draw if I have only the red one, I will have difficulty to acknowledge this one because I'll be waiting for the price to retest the red one. But because I draw another line here, I know that there's another one here. But as you are entering a trade here, you need to be very careful because there is another support here. So you will be very patient until you receive a clear-cut signal before you buy it here, because you know that they can push it down here. So you don't want to rush. And if the signal fails, just come out. All right? I want to show you another trend line. This time, we are focusing. I'm going to remove this line now. How to day trade like a pro. Now pay attention to the green trend line. All right? This point, okay? Okay, move some of this line here, this point. And this point, all right? Allow me to draw my green trend line. Now, what are we waiting for? The third one is mine. Here it is. Touch it. Here, you can see it's a bit messy. Touch it first time, pull back, and then 3 is messy. That's why we are always zooming into the price using a multiple time frame trading method, being very patient. Sometimes the price may not go up. You may enter the trade and the price stay in one place, all right? We consolidate. Sometimes the market does not move. A trader will trade and will force it the whole day. What you need to do at the end of the day trading day, go back and just look at the whole day what has happened. Sometimes you'll be amazed that the price did not go anywhere. It was just going up and down. And you were just, because you didn't see it, all right? And you were doing all sorts of things. And you missed the whole thing. Or your attention was completely on the indicators, or you lost control, okay? So the third one here, so because the price went up, okay, and they found a resistance there. So this green line, green trend line, though is rising, if we want to buy, the price should be above it. So the only time we buy above a rising trend line is when the price went above it and retest it. But if the price goes up from A to a rising trend line like this, and a final resistance, that rising trend line is a resistance. It's not a support, because price went up to it and was rejected. Went back to it, it was rejected. Went back to a rising trend line and was rejected. But the only time we buy on the edge of a rising trend line is when the price is above the rising trend line and the price pull back to retest the rising trend line, and we receive a valid buy signal. So here, though it's still a rising trend line, it's a resistance. But the red one here is a support. The blue one trend line here is a support, because the price pulling back to it and it's finding a support. These 2 points were resistance level, because each time here, this point, the price went down. This point also, price went down. But look, here it went up. Here it went up. So here, though this is a rising trend line, the price is a resistance. So the third time here, we are looking for a sell signal. This is a tricky one, because the price is bullish up to that point and they find a resistance. Good. We will again implement. We may just, CSCW24 traders can go to their first best time frame and just watching it, because this is the setup. You just wait on the first best time frame and waiting. All right, waiting. Do not trade indicators. All right, trade the price. Okay, the indicators are there to help us, but eyes on the price. Okay. So we look for opportunity to sell here. You can see it was horizontal here, because the bull were controlling the market, and the market, the people want to buy more, but there's a resistance here. But if we receive a sell signal here, we will sell by all means. All right, we will sell it. Price going down, we are looking for the point B, B for Bravo. It's going from A to B. Where is the support level? All right, we want to know where are the support level. All right, and so we can manage the trade so we don't sell into a support level. All right. Here again, you see, this is a good one because the candlestick pattern, you see this candlestick pattern with the wick, he went to touch it and he sold it down and he closed here. Pay attention to the candlestick pattern too on the edge where you are looking for the setup. So at this point you can see this also, you see, it way below it and then they bought it all the way up. Pay attention to the candlestick patterns when the price retested the trend line. Here it is. It went above it, okay, it closed above it, which is bullish in fact, but the following day they sold it. So these two candles, this is what they call a bearish engulfment, yes or no? Am I right? Steve Nielsen? Okay. See this bullish candle? But the price failed to display a new high. On the first day, which is the tall green candle, we will have this high. The following day, the price did not display a new high. It's a weakness of the bullish progression. We will be monitoring the price and looking for opportunity to sell. Here again, we will again go to the first best time frame or use our trading method on the edge and look for opportunity to sell. Yeah, it went above it. Okay, it's bullish. If it goes above a rising trend line, it's bullish. But we will not buy until we test it. Because this green line is a resistance level, we will not buy at a resistance level until what? The resistance level is converted into a support level. Put back and confirmation of support level. As you can see here, it started going up, but it didn't go far. That's why we said, you will see it sometime. The price will be bullish for a while, and then it will become bearish for a while. Again, as it's going up from here, you see all the way here, it's not every day that is bullish. Some days were very short days. These are consolidation days. Some days it's bearish, though the momentum is bullish. And it's not every day that the price will move. The next thing I need to say to traders, this strategy though is valid for day trading. Some traders are trading some crazy financial instrument. I need to say this now. Some of the financial instruments that traders are trading, sometimes I see a trader will go and buy TSTW24 and they are trading some financial instrument that no one in fact is trading. It's not liquid, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Well, do not trade them. They're just going to waste your money. Or if you trade financial instrument that is not moving at all, scalp. Take 2 pip, 1 pip fast. Don't stay there expecting miracles. Okay, you understand? You want financial instruments that are moving. Indices, currencies, don't trade any crazy currencies. If you want to trade in currency, trade it for a while and understand, okay, the psychology of that currency. I trade the Euro USD, I trade the dollar yen, I trade the pound dollar. These are my key currency. I don't go around looking for any currency. Sometimes I trade New Zealand dollar, US dollar currency pair, and Singapore dollar, US dollar currency pair, or Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. But I'm trading mostly the Euro USD and the dollar yen and the pound dollar. All right, mainly Euro USD. It's moving all the time. It's going up and down all over the place every day. All right, so you can day trade those financial indices, currencies, currency pairs. All right. ETF, they move fast. Don't trade some crazy financial instruments that are not going anywhere. Some financial instruments trade stocks that are listed on major indices. Okay, the Dow 30, the Nasdaq 100, the FTSE 100, okay, the CAC 40, the DAX 30. Or that the professional and the hedge fund and the pension fund are busy trading with their algorithms. All right, it makes sense. All right. I think I've said enough in this first part of the video. I will be recording another video tomorrow, or hopefully, and we will continue with this discussion about how to day trade like a pro. To summarize this the trading discussion, we are looking first the trading drill for a setup. The setup that we are implementing here is the price is above a rising trend line, and the price pull back to retest that a rising trend line on a daily chart. We will not enter the trade on a daily chart. We will go to the signal time frame and then the entry time frame to enter the trade at a low risk entry point. All right. If the price is going up, the price will display higher lows, higher high. So for instance, on the signal time frame or the entry time frame, after the price retested, the price has closed the day before on the daily charts, and the following day we wait 30 minutes. Very important, 30 minutes like professional. Because you want to trade like pro, wait 30 minutes like professional, all right? Okay, sometimes you miss some excellent opportunity, but who cares? You didn't lose, all right? You didn't lose. So, all right, so 30 minutes, you may say, George, I wait 30 minutes and then the action is gone. George, oh, it's not good. Don't worry. Say discipline, all right? Take it easy. Relax, breathe in, breathe out. Another day will come. You didn't lose. You don't want to lose, all right? You don't want to lose. You don't want to lose, okay? You don't want to lose. You want to start adding, all right? Build a new habit of winning, all right? That's what you want to do, all right? So we need 2 points to draw the rising trend line, the first point and the second point. We are waiting for the third time the price retesting it. It doesn't mean that the price will definitely go up. It will start going up until we receive a bullish signal or until it starts displaying higher lows, higher high, either on the entry time frame or on the signal time frame at least. All right? Okay? If we enter a bullish trend, we must know where are the resistance level. And because we don't want to buy into a resistance level, at the point where you buy, and then straight away you see the price going down. You say, oh, this strategy doesn't work. It's a mambo jumbo. Okay? All right, now understand, okay? So that's how you want to do it. As I said at the beginning of this video, okay? Now, this is a strategy that you have learned on YouTube or whichever you are watching this video, whether Facebook or any other place on the web. You learn it now. You are excited about it because you are a new trader, which is normal. Good. Open a demo account or paper trading. So you come, market open, 30 minutes, you wait, and then you start testing the strategy. All right? And you will be amazed. So here, what's happening now? So where is the price now? So, okay, the stock that we are in, GE, is, you see, this is a bearish trend line on a daily chart. The price ran away from this trend line is bullish now. So, what's happening? We want to be bullish. Okay, let's continue. Okay. All right, let's continue to draw line and apply our strategy. So, what I've done now, this point where my cursor is, and this point allow me to draw my trend line. You see the prior retest here, and in here many days, you see here it was touching this line here, and professional were implementing our strategy here. It's a bit tricky now. We can continue to draw line. Pay attention carefully. I'm going to join the high of this candle and this one here. Because as a day trader, I'm looking for the best place where I can enter the trade and not get into trouble. So you can see that there are some traders selling here. Now, in the next part of the video, I will explain to you the importance of checking the higher time frame. Probably there are resistance here. So if you go, for instance, on the weekly chart, all right, or we can't see any resistance here, we can use the Fibonacci extension to know why the price is finding resistance here and know what's happening. All right. I hope you have learned something from this video also. All right. You will put into use like professional traders, okay, to make excellent day trading decision. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.